Hi, I'm Dr. Rod Rourke. I'm a plastic surgeon in Dallas, Texas, and I want to share with you our expertise on the use of fresh frozen rib grafts in primary and especially in revision rhinoplasty and in all areas. We're going to cover several aspects. How to carve the cartilage for both columellar struts, septal extension graft, dorsal onlay spreader grafts, extended alar contra grafts, and then how to utilize grafts, especially fresh frozen grafts, and if there's any oppositional contouring or concavities or warping, you can use the power of oppositional suturing to make them straight and to make them not only very purposeful for all of these things that I talked about, but to make them look great both short and long term. So join us when we go through these carving and these suturing techniques. This happens to be a straighter piece, and this is not uncommon, and there's a concave piece. So put the two together, sandwich them, and it really will help to put them together and suture them into place. Again, we'll use this silicone sheet, and once we've done that, we'll bring them out and we'll show them. So, and again, we'll do the suturing. But again, if it's not completely straight, you can actually, again, apply uneven opposition with your forceps and then suture it into place. So now you have a piece of cartilage that is very versatile and straight. So what I'll do with a piece of cartilage like this that is that I would say still needs a little bit more help, and another suture, and then it'll be straight. And that's the beauty of doing this oppositional suturing with pieces of cartilage that are not necessarily perfect. And rarely are cartilage grafts perfect. I mean, I use this a lot in the dorsum of the nose, but this will be to demonstrate this for a septal extension graft. Now, what you can do here is I can design it, and again, when you're doing a septal extension graft, you have a broader base, and one side is more of a Bowie knife straight, and the other one is straighter. That's the one that's going to be more cephalic. So if this is my septal extension graft, then I will place it between, if this is the anterior, if this is the septum, then I will place it. Let's just say this is the septum. I will place the septal extension graft between this. And when you do it between the septum, then you can put sutures into place. And then in this way, if you want to just increase tip projection, you put it at 90 degrees to the anterior septal angle. If you want to rotate the tip up, you put it higher. And if you want to rotate the tip down, like we've done recently, to decrease the tip projection or to lengthen the nose, you put it in this way, and you put sutures in this area. So it's very versatile. So you're again using the power of suturing, oppositional suturing, to make a septal extension graft. And those are the two big, powerful techniques you can use for correction of any type of cartilage warping.